Okay, so today we're going to look at how to do a smooth zoom in on Final Cut Pro X. So there are a few ways to do a zoom in on Final Cut, but I find this is the nicest way because it gives you a nice ease in and an ease out at the end of the clip, as opposed to like a linear zoom in or zoom out using the transform position and scale, which can be a little bit jerky, not very smooth. So you want to make sure you have your clip selected in the timeline and then go up to this video inspector icon at the top. Then come down and click on the crop button. You want to go over to Ken Burns, and that will show you your start and end points for your effect. So you can see that my end is now the larger section, so I just switched those around, and you'll see now that the full screen is actually my start, and then it will zoom in to whatever I select now. So I'm going to choose something like this. That looks pretty good. And then up at the top left you can preview it, and that looks pretty good. You can see it eases in and eases out. So if you're happy with it, just go ahead and click done, and that's it. Play it back. You can see nice and smooth zoom in. If you don't want to zoom in and you actually want to zoom out instead, then all you do is you go back into the Ken Burns effect and you flip the start and end point. So let's take a look at another example now. I have this clip here, and you can see I've already applied the effect and it zooms in all the way from start to finish. But actually what I want here is, I don't want anything in the first third of the clip, and then I want it to zoom in, and then in the final third I want it to zoom out again. So the first thing I'll do is I will split all the clips, all the sections of the clip, with Command B, and now you'll see I actually have 3 Ken Burns effects, so 3 separate zoom ins. So that's not very smooth at all. So I want to take away the Ken Burns on the first clip, so I'll go back into the crop menu. Make sure your clip is selected on the timeline, and then I'll change Ken Burns to trim. Now click done, and that will take away the Ken Burns effect, and you can see now I have nothing on the first clip, and then it smoothly zooms into the second clip, just eases in. So the third clip I want it to zoom out again, so I'll go back to that crop menu. Now all I have to do here is switch around my start and end point, click done, and you'll see instead of zooming in, it now zooms out. Perfect, that's it. That's all you need to know to do a smooth zoom in and zoom out on Final Cut Pro. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comments below, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future. Thank you for watching.